Hey everyone, this is a demo to show you how to execute your trades from Google Sheet into Zerodha. Trade Task already has the functionality of executing your trade from Excel, as you might have seen it before. This is one of the most requested feature to us. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it. You can find the URL under the products tab, or you can directly bookmark the sheet. The first step is to prepare the Google Sheet for the execution. You can find the template sheet here. Just click on here and you would be redirected to the Google Sheet. This is a public file and it's a template file, so you have to first make a copy of it for you to edit and use it. So click here and file, make a copy, and then say demo. Okay, let's make a copy. So once you make a copy, this lives in your Google Drive or your Google account, and this enables you to update the sheet. So you can close this template file. Yeah, and this is your file. Go back to the trade tasker. The first step is to log into trade tasker. This is a new step compared to the Excel part, wherein here you need to have an account. So just click on the login. If you have a already created account, you can just use your username password. If not, no worries, you can click on sign up, enter your username, put your name, and enter a password, and then you should be able to sign up. I already have a login, so I'll go ahead and log in. As you can see, I have successfully logged into the trade tasker with my account. The second step is to share your Google Sheet with a trade tasker account so that it would be able to fetch your details. So the email ID is given here. Go back to your Excel sheet, sorry, the Google Sheet, click on share, enter this email ID, and then you have, please ensure that you're giving editor access to this email ID. So if you give viewer or commenter access, we will not be able to identify your account or identify your Google Sheet. So make sure you are giving the editor access. By mistake, if you are given viewer or commenter access, please remove the access completely and then give it back again. If you try to change the access type directly, again, like due to the limitation of the Google Sheet, we will not be able to get this change from our end. Yeah, click on sign. Yeah, now you have shared it with us. Go back to your trade tasker, wait for a minute because it would take up to a minute for it to reflect here. Just so I'm just going to go ahead and pause my video for a minute. Okay, it's been more than a minute. Let me go ahead and refresh. Yeah, as you can see, the file that I have shared here is in the drop down. It means that we are able to fetch your data from your Google Sheet. And now once you see your sheet, select the sheet and click on fetch data. And then yeah, you can see that all your trades is reflected here. You can see here, and then you can see the same data here. And the beauty of this is that this is a live data, meaning that when you update something in your Google Sheet, you don't have to do anything. Just save your Google Sheet, come back here, and then click on fetch data, and you should see the updated data here. So there is no lag between the data that you enter in your Google Sheet and the trade tasker. So it's a live data. For example, I'll say, let's say 20, and come back here and then say fetch data. You should see the same here. And then you can say execute selected trades. Yeah. You can see it's being sent to Zerodha directly. And if you go back a couple of steps and fetch again, you should see. So you can select individual trades to execute, or you can select everything and then say execute. And you should get all those in the Zerodha console. And one of the other feature is that you can have multiple sheets shared with trade tasker. For example, let me make another copy. Let me share it with the trade tasker account again. Again, I'll pause my video for a minute for it to reflect. Okay, it's been a minute. Let me go ahead and refresh this list. Now you should see two sheets here. So you can connect any number of sheets to trade tasker, and then we'll be able to fetch it from the trade tasker directly. Let me click on test and then say fetch data. Yeah, you should see this data here. Let me go ahead and then update something here. Yeah, I'll fetch it again. And you should see the updated data directly, and then you can again execute it in Zerodha. As usual, if you have some questions or issues, please feel free to click on the chat button and let us know. Or you can directly click on the feedback button and put your comments here with your email ID, and we'll get back to you. Thank you.